the sky, up, up in the clouds, it's nighting time. The cloud babies are fast asleep, but Moon's awake and about to tell a story.
Did I ever tell you about the wishing star?
What's a wishing star?
A wishing star is a star that makes wishes come true. And it's the highest, brightest, shiniest star in the whole sky.
Oh, I want to be the highest, brightest, shiniest star. How could I be a wishing star, Moon?
By making wishes come true. But remember, it's only a story, and making wishes come true is very hard to do.
I can do it. I want to be a wishing star.
Some other night. It's bedtime for us now, dear. Look, here's Baba Yellow. Good morning, dear.
Good morning, Moon. Come along, little star. Bedtime. Sleep tight, little star.
Don't want to go to sleep. Want to be a wishing star. Just need to make someone's wish come true.
Whoa! Sorry, Baba Pink. I'm in such a hurry today.
Me too. I haven't even had time to make my crispy cake. I wish I had some help.
Your wish will come true, Baba Pink.
Little star.
I'm making crispy cakes so Baba Pink's wish comes true. Then I'll be a wishing star.
Bobo help.
All done. It's fun being a wishing star. Let's make another wish come true.
Bobo come too. Thanks, Baba Blue. Rainbow needs all his colours done today.
We're all having a busy day.
We have to fill these too.
Well, I've got to go now. I just wish we had someone to help us.
I'll make your wish come true, Baba Blue.
Oh!
We'll come back and brush you later, Sky Horses. Yes, I've got to help Baba Green in the garden. Poor Sky Horses. I wish someone could brush them for us, Baba Blue.
Time to make Baba Green's wish come true.
Brushy, brushy.
Thanks, Bobo.
Horsey tickly.
Come here, Sky Horsies. Finished. It's fun being a wishing star. The Cloudbabies will be so happy. I made all their wishes come true.
What happened here? What?
There's mess everywhere. Where are the Sky Horses?
What is going on today? Little star, what are you doing up still? You should be fast asleep in bed, little star. Is this paint? And crispy cake mix?
And Horsey Hay, what have you been up to?
Helping.
Let's talk about it later. Time for bed. Oh dear. I wish just for once he'll sleep until nighting time. Little Star sad?
Little Star did everything wrong. Now I'll never ever be a wishing star.
Bobo wish, help Little Star. Everything's tidy again.
The sky horses are back in their stables, thanks to Bobo.
Thank you, Bobo White. You've been very helpful. Not like Little Star. He was very naughty. No, Little Star good.
But Bobo is...
Bobo's right, dears. I'm afraid this is all my fault. I put a silly idea into Little Star's head. He wasn't being naughty. He was trying to be a wishing star.
Ah! I wished someone would make crispy cakes.
I wished someone would fill the paint pots. And I wished that someone would brush the horses.
You see? He was just trying to make your wishes come true.
Oh! No wonder he was so upset when we sent him back to bed. I think we should make his wish come true.
Time to wake up, Little Star. You're going to be a wishing star tonight.
Can't be a wishing star. Didn't make any wishes come true.
You did. I wish that you'd sleep until nighting time. And you did.
Moon told us all about it. And we're going to make you a wishing star.
Wishing star, shining so bright. Please make our wishes come true tonight.
I want to be a wishing star like you, so when my friends have wishes, I can make them all come true.
Anytime you make a wish, he'll be there for you. If you believe your wish, it will come true.
I can do it, I'll make it right.
You'll make your wishes all come true tonight.
Your turn now.
I have done it, I made it right. I made their wishes all come true tonight.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies all make a wish. I wish I knew what it was.
Who polishes the clouds? Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Who paints the colors on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, it's raining. A lot. There's no work to be done today.
What's wrong, Bobo White? Rainy. I can see that, but the rain does make everything lovely and clean. Bobo bored. Well, we'll just have to wait till the rain stops before we can go outside.
But I need to do my jobs. I have such a lot to do.
We all have jobs to do, Baba Blue.
The rain is very good for my plants. Although I've got lots of things to do in the garden. We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Why don't we play a game? That'll pass the time.
Play game! Play game! Like what?
How about favourite things?
Oh, yes! I love that game.
You start, Baba Green.
Okay. Well, my favourite thing is my garden.
What do you like best about it?
I just love digging and planting. Remember when everyone was sneezing and we didn't know what it was? Achoo! Achoo! But I think my favourite thing in the garden is my watering can. I need it to water my plants.
Remember when Bobo blocked up all the holes?
Holes? Bluey Babs fill holes.
Aha! Bobo clever.
Now that I think about it, that was a bit funny. Huh? Mud? Who could have done that?
Huh? Rainy. We told you before, Bobo. We know.
Rainy, rain, rain! You are funny, Bobo.
What about you, Baba Pink? What's your favourite thing? My favourite thing is my caring kit. It's so useful. I can make and mend all sorts of things with it.
What are you making, Baba Pink?
It's a star blanket. I'm making it for Little Star.
Wow, it's so soft. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Do you remember when I made Sun his big gloves? Ooh.
Oh, what are these?
Oven gloves. These gloves keep your hands cool so they won't melt the snow.
Come on, Son, try them out.
I've made one! Oh, thank you, Cloudbabies! My first snowball!
Then there's my polishing cloth and my duster. I wouldn't know what to do without them. How would I polish Sun? Or dust Moon? Maybe they are my favourite things.
I think your favourite thing is your reward chart. You do like to check that all our jobs are done.
All right then, Baba Blue. What's your favourite thing?
My favourite thing is...
Rainy, rain, rain.
My favourite thing is my tools. I couldn't do anything without them. I couldn't fix the gate without my hammer. All mended. Do you remember when Bobo knocked all of my tools into the hayfield?
Bobo, help!
No! Oops. Luckily, I had my cloud catcher to fish them all out. Pull, Cloudbabies, pull! That was fun.
I liked your sculpture. That was really beautiful.
Perfect. Remember when Sun shone through it and made all those rainbow colours? It's a rainbow light sculpture. Yes, I have so many favourite things to choose from. But I think I like my sky peeper best. I can use it to spot clouds. Come on. Then I can round them up. OK, clouds. No more playing. Time to rain. Time to round up some clouds. Yee-haw! Or chase them.
Yes, you do like to chase clouds across the sky, don't you, Baba Blue? What's your favourite thing, Bobo? Rain pairs! Of course it is! Well, I think my favourite thing is my bag. It just looks so pretty on me. Although I do use my paint box every day to paint rainbow.
And to paint pictures.
Yes, that's my favourite thing. Although, my favourite thing really has to be my fluty toot. It can call the sky train. And it helps Little Star go to sleep. Listen. Rainy, rain, rain!
Oh no! Look, the ceiling!
Quick, Cloudbabies! We've got to catch the water.
Ah, Bobo, now I understand. You were trying to tell us about the rain inside.
Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. As we clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops away.
I think the rain is stopping. Hello, everyone. What are you doing here?
We've come to see you, of course. And I always come out after the rain. That's why I'm called Rainbow. Isn't everything clean? Yes. Just look at my colours. Aren't they wonderful?
We are pleased to see you.
You've made all the rain dry up. Sun, rainbow, favourite things. Yes, today you two are our favourite things.
So, with the rain gone, the Cloudbabies could get on with their jobs. And Bobo was just happy not to get wet.
Who polishes the Cloudbabies? Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Cloudbabies. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies were hard at work. Because that's what they do best.
Choo-choo!
Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
Hey, you two!
Oh, Baba Yellow, you paint my stripes so neatly.
Thank you, Rainbow.
Oh, no, no.
What
What have you done? Oh, look at me. Oh, just look at me.
Stop! Bobo, Fuffa, you can't play choo-choo here.
Bobo, Fuffa, you nearly knocked me off Blue Horsey.
Sorry, Bluey Bobs. No choo-choo, no fun.
Too right, Bobo.
I hope I didn't upset her.
I'm sure you didn't.
Never mind, Fuffa. What about my stripes? Yes, amazing, aren't they?
Oh, hello, Rainbow. Yes, they are. I wonder where they're going.
What? Oh, the clouds. They're just moving on. You will one day.
I will?
Well, of course. It's what you clouds do. Well, I must be going. Goodbye, Fuffa.
Moving on. I never thought of that. Maybe it's time for me to move on too. Then I could play choo-choo when and where I like.
Pass the rainbows, please, Baba Pink.
Scrammy. You can't beat a good rain pair.
Cloudbabies! I'll get it. Oh, hello, Fuffa. Can I help you?
I've decided I'm moving on. What do you mean? Moving on. Following the clouds as they travel far away.
You're leaving? But you belong here. No choo-choo.
Well, I'm off then. Are you sure, Fuffa? It's a long way.
No choo-choo.
Oh, Bobo, I'll come back and play. Really, I will. But big clouds like me have got to move on. It's what we do.
It sounds like Fuffa really has made up her mind to move on. Would you like me to travel a little way with you?
Yes, please, Baba Pink. That would be great. Well, wish me luck.
Bye, Fuffa.
Good luck. Bye, Fuffa. Bye-bye, everybody.
Remember to stop by Little Star. He'll want to say bye-bye. Bobo, come too.
Little Star! Little Star!
Shh, Bobo. He's asleep.
He isn't now. Hey, Little Star.
Hi, Fuffa.
I've got something to tell you.
Is it funny?
No, I don't think it is. I'm going away.
Okay. See you when I wake up then.
I mean, I'm leaving. Moving on.
I'll let him know when he wakes properly.
Okay. Bye, Little Star.
Look, Fuffa, big clouds.
Yes. They look a lot bigger from up here, don't they?
Big, big, big.
Yoo-hoo! Hello, dears.
We've come to say goodbye. Well done, Fuffa. A cloud's got to do what a cloud's got to do.
I'll miss you, dear.
Yes. Well, here I go then.
Bobo, Miss Fuff.
And I'll miss you too.
Oh.
Choo-choo. Please, Choo-choo. Well, I suppose one quick choo-choo won't hurt.
Yay! Hold tight!
Fuffa, the big clouds, they're leaving. You'll miss them if you don't go now.
Well, I should go then.
Yes, you have an important journey to make. No more choo-choos for you, I'm afraid.
Time to be a big cloud then.
Yes, time to move on.
Just do what you think is right, Fuffa Cloud.
I will.
Bye, Fuff.
I'm going to do what's right, Baba Pink.
No, Choo-choo.
I don't want to go. This is my home right here with you.
Choo-choo?
Yes, let's play choo-choo. Hey! Let's go and see Little Star. He must be awake now.
So, you're not ready to be a big cloud just yet.
Maybe next year.
Phew.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Sometimes you just don't know what you want until it's not there anymore. Fuffa knew what she wanted, all right, to stay with the Cloudbabies. And play choo-choo, of course.
Choo-choo!
Steady, you two!